Friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is integration 0 to 1 x divided by x square nth of x minus root over 1 minus x. So friends, it can be written as 0 to 1 x to the power 1 by n plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 minus x whole to the power y by n dx, and after that it can be written summation k equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power k 0 to 1 x to the power 2k plus 1 by n plus 1 and 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1 by n dx. After that it can be written summation k equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power k beta 2k plus 1 by n plus 2 comma 1 by minus 1 by n. After that it can be written summation k equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power k, apply the beta formula, gamma 2k plus 1 by n plus 2 gamma 1 minus 1 by n k equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power k gamma 2k plus 1 by n plus 2 divided by 2k plus 2 factorial, and I write it in left side gamma 1 minus 1 by n for understanding, clear understanding. And after that I can write grammar formula that 0 to infinity, okay, 0 to infinity, I just write 0 to infinity x to the power 1 by n plus 1 e to the power minus x, and summation k equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power k x to the power 2k divided by 2k plus 2 factorial dx, and it can be written gamma 1 minus 1 by n 0 to infinity x to the power 1 by n plus 1 e to the power minus x cos x 6 minus 1 dx, okay, because this formula is cos x minus 1, because as k equals to 0, so it is cos x minus 1. After that it can be written this way, that minus gamma 1 minus 1 by n 0 to infinity x to the power 1 by n plus 1 e to the power minus x cos x dx minus 0 to infinity 0 to infinity e to the power x to the power 1 by n plus 1 into e to the power minus x dx, and it can be written minus gamma 1 minus 1 by n 0 to infinity x to the power 1 by n minus 1 e to the power minus x real e to the power xi dx minus gamma 1 by n gamma 1 by n. This formula is gamma 1 by n. Now friends, I have to do some little technique. I have used Ramanujan Masters theorem. So friends, you see, let from here you see the equation, this equation we get, this equation can be written as, this equation can be written, I can take as e to the power minus 1 minus I x can be written. So let del equals to 0 to infinity x to the power s minus 1 it minus e to the power minus 1 minus x, and after that it can be written as this way, x to the power s minus 1 and e to the power minus x ix formula, e to the power x equals to summation k equals to 0 to infinity x to the power k divided by k factorial, and after that I get this value, and by the Ramanujan Masters theorem I get this is del I is equal to gamma s I 1 minus I to the power s. So friends, my omega, so this value is this, and omega value is minus gamma 1 by n, real value of gamma 1 by n minus gamma 1 by n, and real value it can be written minus nth root 2 to the power n root 2 minus e to the power minus pi divided by 4 to the power n, and after that I get this value I get, must remember 1 minus I can be written 1 by root 2 minus I by root 2, and this is my answer, okay, and it can be written into root 2 I can multiply, and this can be written e to the power pi by 4 root 2, and I apply this value 1 by I whole to the power minus n, so real 1 minus I whole to the power minus 1 by n can be written e to the power I pi by 4 n and root 2 to the power 1 by 2n, and this can be real value. If I write real, this means cos value, so cos value is cos pi divided by 4 n into 2 to the power 1 by 2n. Thanks for watching. I hope I can clear.